Hey there! Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to create vibrant and colorful cartoon images with a lively city background using AI. And the best part, it's all completely free. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. Once you're on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to get started. Choose a canvas. Now, let's select the option Text to Image. Let's choose a style for our cartoon image. How about something vibrant and psychedelic? Click on Psychedelic Illustration. Now describe what you want. Cartoon with a colorful face surrounded by a city. In the style of Tim Doyle, industrial forms, packed with hidden details, darkly detailed. Solarizing Master, Agustin Fernandez, poster art. Now, click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Take a look at the results. Isn't it mesmerizing? Let's add even more charm to our artwork. Click on Make One More Style. Let's opt for something cute and innocent. Click on Innocent Cutie. Now, click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Check out the results once again. Simply adorable, isn't it? Now, select the image you like the most. Click on Place on Canvas to finalize its placement. Finally, click on Export to download your colorful masterpiece. Now, hit Download, and there you have it. You've successfully generated a colorful cartoon image with a lively city background using AI. And all for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!